This video is about week 2. Look at all these titles. Unbiased and objective data. I have finished. Explore data credibility. I have finished. Data ethics and privacy. I have finished. Understanding open data. I have finished. The content is quite simple in this week. I only make 3 PowerPoints. So let's take a look and then take a weekly challenge quiz. What is data anonymization? Data anonymization. Alright. Personally identifiable information is information that can be used by itself or with other data to track down a person's identity. Remember that personally identifiable information can track you who you really are in real life. It's very important. You should always protect it. Nobody can use it without your consent. Otherwise, it's illegal. Alright, what kind of data should be anonymized? Healthcare and financial data are two of the most sensitive types of data. Yeah. These industries rely a lot on data anonymization techniques. After all, the stakes are very high. That's why data in these two industries usually goes through de-identification, which is a process used to wipe data clean enough all personally identifying information. Data anonymization is used in just about every industry. That's why it is so important for data analysts to understand the basics. Here is a list of data that's often anonymized. Telephone number, names, license plates and license numbers, the social security number, IP address, medical records, email address, photographs, account numbers. For some people, it just makes sense that this type of data should be anonymized, right? For others, we may have to be very specific about what needs to be anonymized. Imagine a world where we all had access to each other's address, account numbers, and other identifiable information. That's pretty scary. Here it uses the word imagine, but you know what? In some totalitarian country, the government do that to its citizens, especially now during the COVID-19. So many countries, they would use apps on your phone to track your location. Yeah, you should be aware of that. That would invade a lot of people's privacy and make the world less safe. Yeah, definitely. Data anonymization is one of the ways we can keep data private and secure. Alright, that's all the notes I have taken. Right now, let's take a weekly challenge. Weekly challenge. Let's do it. A preference in favor or against a person, group of people, or thing is called data bias. A university surveys its student athletes about their experience in college sports. The survey only includes student athletes with scholarships. What kind of bias is this an example of? Sampling bias. Number 3. In general, the usefulness of data decreases as time passes. Yeah, because data should be current. If a company uses your personal data as part of a financial transaction, you should be made aware of the nature and scale of the transaction. What concept of data ethics does this refer to? Currency. It's about money. Number 5. Ownership is a key issue in data ethics. Who owns data? The law enforcement agency? No. The government? No. The individual who originally generates data? Yeah. Number 6, an employer accesses an employee's credit report without their consent. This is not a violation of the employee's privacy because they work at the company. No. Data anonymization applies to both text and images. Yeah. Number 8, the government of a large city collects data on the quality of the city's infrastructure, and business, nonprofit organization, or person can access the government's databases and reuse or redistribute it. Is this an example of open data? Yeah. It's pretty easy, huh? Alright, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.